So yeah, as the title suggests, this is literally a $15 laptop. And this is like the nicest $15 laptop I've ever seen. 4 gigs of RAM and a hard disk drive. That's not good. We got an i7 Pro in this thing. Like, that's just quality right there. So today we're going to be installing Windows 11 on it, because why the crap not? So I immediately booted it up and started pressing F12 to go into the boot menu. Once I was in there, I selected my USB drive, selected Windows 11 from my Ventoy, and as you can see, it started booting. So here we are in the language settings, and I'm just going to press next, and I'm going to agree that everything will be deleted because I don't even care about what's on this hard drive. We're going to press next. I don't have a product key, so I'm just going to select I don't have a product key. We're going to go with Windows 11 Pro because why not? I'm going to press next, and this is going to let me hit accept. And now we're going to be going into disk drive setup. I tried to install Windows 11 to an existing partition, but I got that error. So what I did is I just made the whole thing unallocated, the whole hard drive in that fact, and hit install, and sure enough, it's installing. Okay, so this is the first time I've booted it up since it's installed, and it's been sitting on this black screen for probably about 1 minute now. I don't exactly know what's going on. I'm just going to leave it here and see what happens. So it was booting to the thumb drive, so I took it out, and now it's trying to boot to the PXE agent, so I don't even know what to do. If I hit Windows Boot Manager, it just spits me right back out into here. If I scroll down to the HDD, then it just puts me back in here, and I can eventually press it, and it will give me the black screen, but it is just not want to cooperate at all. So on to my next idea. Okay, so I'm going to try to use a little project called Tiny 11. Now, there is an updated version of this called Nano 11, but I cannot get it to download. So, this should hopefully work. After that downloaded, I put on my USB drive for Ventoy, booted, and sure enough, it is booting. It has been a very long time since I've installed 23H2, but it feels just the same at the same time. So we're just going to hit next. I'm hoping we don't run into that same problem that we did last time. So I'm just going to accept all this crap, and I'm not going to make you guys sit through this again. Okay, so I just booted it up, and it showed choose an operating system, which means apparently the other copy of Windows 11 installed, and I just wasted a whole bunch of time. I don't know which one is booting. I'm going to hope it's Windows 11 because that kind of redeems myself here, but it appears to not be. Wait, what? Okay. I guess I gotta reinstall now. Well, at this point, I got the same error, so I'm just gonna say no. A $15 laptop cannot run Windows 11. Now, of course, I could upgrade the RAM. I have another 4 gig stick right here that I could technically put in there. However, I don't want to do that because I don't think it's going to help. I don't want to reinstall it again. So, can a $15 ThinkPad run Windows 11? Apparently, it can't.